Have you ever wondered why your GMT-800 Silverado is still on the road while trucks built 10 years later are already sitting in the scrapyard? It is not just luck. It is engineering. In the late 90s, General Motors made a massive financial mistake. They built a truck that was simply too good. They over-engineered the GMT-800 platform with heavy-duty, commercial-grade parts, hiding right in plain sight. And the moment the accountants realized these trucks weren't breaking down and forcing owners to buy new ones, they started quietly stripping these features away. Today, I am going to reveal the 5 hidden heavy-duty factory parts inside your GMT-800 that GM hopes you forgot about. Number 1, the 4-wheel heavy-duty disc brakes. If you drive a 1999 to 2004 Silverado, you are sitting on a massive braking advantage. GM equipped these early GMT-800s with oversized disc brakes on all 4 corners, featuring dual piston calipers up front and massive rotors in the rear. It was stopping power meant for commercial towing. But in 2005, GM quietly downgraded the rear brakes back to cheaper, inferior drum brakes to save a few dollars on the assembly line. If you have the 4-wheel discs, you have the heavy-duty stopping power they tried to take away. Number 2, the hidden dual battery tray. Pop your hood and look at the passenger side. Right up near the firewall, you will see a perfectly molded, empty plastic tray. That isn't a storage cubby. GM engineered the standard Silverado engine bay to seamlessly accept a heavy-duty dual battery setup, a feature usually reserved for diesel work trucks, ambulances, and police interceptors. The physical mounting points and structural support are already there. They gave you the architecture for a heavy-duty electrical system waiting to be unlocked. Number 3, the high-nickel cast iron engine block. While modern trucks use thin-wall aluminum blocks to save weight and maximize fuel economy, the 5.3-liter LM7 Vortec was cast in heavy iron. But it is not just regular iron. It features a high nickel content, making the cylinder walls incredibly resistant to wear, heat, and friction. This was not an economy design. It was a million-mile commercial design. That block is the reason your engine doesn't warp or crack under heavy towing loads, unlike the fragile aluminum engines they want to sell you today. Number 4, the Hydroformed front frame section. Before the GMT-800, truck frames were just stamped pieces of C-channel steel riveted together. But for your truck, GM used a process called hydroforming. They took seamless steel tubes and used highly pressurized water to force the metal into shape. This created a front frame section that is exceptionally rigid, crash-resistant, and immune to the flexing that destroys older chassis. It was an expensive, heavy-duty manufacturing process that gave your Silverado a backbone of pure steel. Number 5, the AD244 heavy-duty alternator bracket. Take a look at your factory alternator. Now, look at the mounting bracket holding it. GM designed that exact bracket to universally accept the massive AD244 alternator. That is the 145 amp unit used in snowplows and heavy commercial vehicles. Even if your truck came with the standard lower amp unit, the heavy-duty upgrade is literally a plug-and-play drop-in. They built the infrastructure for commercial power into every single half-ton truck right from the factory. The modern automotive industry thrives on planned obsolescence. They build trucks to last just past the warranty period. But your GMT-800 is a survivor from an era where engineers, not accountants, made the final decisions. You are driving a heavy-duty fortress disguised as an everyday pickup. Tell me down in the comments, what year is your GMT-800, and do you have the legendary 4-wheel disc brakes? Let's show the industry what real American engineering looks like. Do not sell your iron. Keep it on the road.